Hello everyone, you're welcome to my video and to my platform. My name is TB_AMB. I'm the founder and president of Go Digital Institute, an online academy where I train people, men and women, about how to make money online and specifically teach them about binary option, forex trading, and also crypto, okay, and other opportunities, and also how to make your businesses either online or on-site go profitably. Okay, so today I'm going to be explaining to you a very easy or profitable strategy that can give you about 90% winning rate on how to trade on binary option and also forex and also crypto. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the name of the indicator is stochastic. Some of us might have heard it, but I want to teach you something very important, okay, that pinpoint one of the things that make some of us lose rather in our trade. So okay, let me just delete it so you can see the stuff. Okay, now come to the indicators, then shows stochastic. That's it. Okay, take profit 1 overbought oversold. Just copy whatever I see here, okay, and done. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so now, how do you trade this strategy? As we all know that stochastic is one of the oscillators, and you can see it's under oscillators, and it has a very simple lines to understand for those who know it actually. So now, how do you trade it? Now the stochastic tells us the direction of the market, if the market is going up or is going down. But you know one thing about indicators is that they only tell us the direction of the market per time, how the price is moving, the moving of the prices rather. They didn't actually tell us the direction of the market. And one of the issues that some of us ask is that, I've been to this trading quite some time now, and at least I understand 50% how the market works. And one of the things that I've discovered that affects some of us in trading is that, I understand this thing about 50 to 70%. Let me say that, because I've been to it quite a while now. And I've been telling some people about it. And one of the issues I discovered is that some of us will actually trade against the trend. Now, these indicators actually, they always tell us the movement of the price, the direction of the price per time. But they don't actually tell us if the market is in uptrend or downtrend. They only follow the direction of the market, of the prices. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to be on the safer side on how to buy when the market is actually in uptrend, and how to sell when the market is actually in the downtrend, because that is the best way to trade. If not, the indicators will only show you that the market is going up, the price is going up, but it won't show you that the market is actually in uptrend or downtrend. Do you understand? So how do we do this? So you will be on the safer side. Now let me first show you how to trade this stochastic, so you can know how it works. It's very simple. Okay, now once the lines, the stochastic, the D line and the K line gets to oversold and overbought rather, and it goes to overbought here, overbought region here, and it started moving downward, and it got to 80%, and it started moving downward. You take your sell. And likewise, once it gets to oversold here, and it started moving upward, and it got to 20%, you started selling. Buying rather. Now, but there are times that the market started ranging. Even after it got to 20%, it may start ranging like here, like here, like here. Don't worry, take your position. Like you all know that whatever market, like I used to tell people, that any market that start from downward will surely reach the top. It may only take time. That's why I always advise my students is, if you want to trade volatility indexes, make sure on binary, make sure you have a lot of money in your account, except you want to be scalping. Okay, and if you want to be scalping, you should have a lot of money, at least some money in your account, maybe $30, $50, and start from a very small lot size, or let's say $30. you want to be trading volatility. But if you don't have much in your account, you can start with boom and crash. I've uploaded a lot of strategies on my Telegram channel on how to trade boom and crash, and I'll also be uploading more on my channel too. Okay, so you can follow my Telegram channel. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, so now, like I said, the market gets overbought here and it starts selling. Now the market may get to overbought at the 80%. Sorry, the market may get to oversold here at 80%. I start ranging downward, like I used to tell you, to surely get to overbought. That's one of the best way to trade. But how do you be on the safer side so that the market won't be ranging against you much, that you just take your profit quickly and get out of the market for scalpers? This is how you do it. You follow the trend, like you know. Make the trend your friend. The trend must be your friend. Add the 200 moving average to your line, to your set it to default. Then add this period to 200. Okay. Okay, the exponential moving average. Okay, you can also set it to simple moving average. So depending on your choice, it's the same thing. Now, whatever the market is in, whatever the price is above this moving average, can you see the price is above the moving average? You only buy. That is the issue that some of us have. Some of us sell when the market is even above when the price is above the 200 moving average. Though you don't know, but you know now. That's why I take my time to teach my students, those in my mentorship class and also in my free classes and WhatsApp on my Telegram channel. I teach them the nitty-gritty of trading. The ones I know, I teach them. The ones I'm doing and it's saving me. If you are interested in joining my groups, you can let me know. Okay. Now, when the market is actually in uptrend, that is, how do you know if the market is uptrend? Whenever the market is above, the candlesticks are above this 200 moving average. Can you see? You take a buy. Ignore any selling signal you see. Now, can you see here? Can you see here that? Okay, I'm coming. That the market actually started here and it ended here. Can you see? Because the market is in uptrend. Now, let's see another example. Can you see that the market is still in uptrend? Notice this red line. Make sure you drag your screen to this last part. Okay, drag it to this last part, and make sure you use the second zoom level 1, 2. Okay. Now, can you see that the market is actually uptrend now because it's here above this 200 moving average? Can you see this red line here? But I dragged it. We may not see the line because I dragged it. Now, can you see here that it started that? Make sure, don't forget that. Make sure that the market, these two lines, this green and this red line, get to this 20. That is, if you are buying, get to this 20 level before you take your buy. Some of the mistakes some of us do is that we started buying even when immediately it started crossing up. See, don't buy like that, because if the market gets oversold, some of us buy instantly when it gets oversold. Don't do like that, because if the market is a strong uptrend and downtrend, it may still range in this line for some minutes before it starts going up. So make sure you take caution. So like I tell you, the market is uptrend now. Can you see how it went up? Now the market is still uptrend. Ignore this selling signal. Except because I told you, the indicators only tell you how the price is moves per time. But it won't tell you the trend of the market. So the indicators are just reacting to the prices because the prices go up. Because the market is uptrend, because is going back to uptrend now. So only sell when the market is downtrend and buy when the market is uptrend. Now, can you see the market is downtrend here now? How do you know? Because the candlesticks, they are below the 200 moving averages. And the 200 moving average rather. Now let's check. I want to look for a perfect example. This one is also a perfect example now. Now, can you see here? The market started, the downtrend started from here. That is why you see that this one doesn't go to this overbought. Can you see that it went down? It went down. But something like this, don't trade something like this, because I want you to get to the overbought before you start selling. The last one I showed you. Okay, let me show you another one. I think this market has been uptrend for long. Okay, can you see? Uptrend. The prices are above the 200 moving averages. Can you see? It went up. Imagine you trade this market. Imagine how many people you have gotten. Okay, can you see that it do as if you want to be reversing back? It's selling. It still went up again. Why? Because the market is an uptrend. So assuming some of you now, assuming you've started trading this, that you see that it has gotten to 80%, it's coming down. That's how the market will be against you. Even though it will still come down, because no matter any market that starts from up, will surely get down. Like I used to tell you guys. So it will surely get down. Any market that starts from up will surely get down. It may only ranges because the market is uptrend. It may shoot up again. Let's look for downtrend again. Okay, bet. Perfect example. Can you see that this market is in downtrend? Why? Because the candlesticks they are below, the prices are below the 200 moving average. Now can you see? It started from this overbought, it came down because the market is downtrend. Now it started here again. It started coming up. Some of you will have gone and trade this one because you saw that it's coming up, even though the market is uptrend. This is that it later came back again, because the market is in downtrend. It went up, it came down. It went up, it came down. Because the market is in downtrend, some of us might have been in losses, even though it will still get up. If you have been in losses here, it will still get it. That's why I tell you that always have a lot of money in your account if you want to trade volatility indexes or use smaller size. Because even if the market goes against you, it will still get up. It will still go in your favor if you hold it. Because any market that starts from up, it will surely get up, get down. And if it starts from down, it surely gets up. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like. I love you guys. My name is TJ Manuel. Follow me very well. All right, take care, guys.